In this session, we are starting with the demonstration experiment where we are going to make comparative study of rate of transpiration in upper and lower surface of the leaf by conducting 4-leaf experiment. So what is transpiration? The loss of excess water in the form of water vapors through the aerial part of the plant, that is called as transpiration. So transpiration is important physiological phenomenon found in plants where they lose water in the form of water vapors through their aerial parts into the atmosphere. So around 98 to 99% of water loss through transpiration, and 0.2% is used in photosynthesis and remaining retained in plants during growth. So what is stomata? If you see on the surface of the leaf, your tiny openings are present on the epidermis, and we can see these stomatas under light microscope. And stomatas which are found on the surface of the leaf, they play a very important role in gaseous exchange and photosynthesis. And stomatas also control transpiration rate by opening and closing. So as today we are going to study comparative rate of transpiration in upper and lower surface of the leaf by conducting 4-leaf experiment. For that our requirements are 2-strand thread, 4-leaf of banyan tree. Here I am going to take beetle leaves. You can take any leaf, Vaseline, brush, etc. So these are our requirements. So for our experiment we need this thread, 2-strand, 4 leaves. Here I am taking this beetle leaves. I am taking this Vaseline and I need one brush. Now let's start with the procedure. So firstly you have to fix this thread to the strand, and then you have to hang the leaves on this thread. So here I am hanging these leaves on the thread. So in this way you have to hang the leaves. So in this way you have to tie the leaves to the thread at equal distance from each other. So in this way you have to fix the thread to the strand, and then you have to tie the leaves, and then you have to tie the leaves to the thread at equal distance from each other. And then we have to apply the Vaseline to the leaves. So with the help of brush you have to apply Vaseline on all 4 leaves in different manner. Suppose this is leaf A, this is leaf B, leaf C and leaf D. As here we are going to demonstrate the transpiration by 4-leaf experiment. Here I had taken 4 beetle leaf, and here in this setup leaves are hanged so that they may transpire freely. So firstly you have to apply Vaseline on leaf A on both the surface. As stomatas are present on the surface of the leaves, so maximum stomatas are present at the lower surface of leaf, and at the upper surface of leaf very few stomatas are present. So here we are applying this Vaseline on the leaf surface to block the stomatas. So with the help of Vaseline you can easily block the stomatas. So here we are applying this Vaseline on the surface of the leaf to block the stomata. So here on leaf A you have to apply the Vaseline at both the surface. This is the upper surface, and now I am going to apply at lower surface also. So in this way at upper and lower surface apply Vaseline on the leaf. So in this way on leaf A, here I had applied Vaseline on both the surface. So this is leaf A. Now on leaf B, you have to apply Vaseline only on lower surface as maximum stomatas are present at the lower surface of the leaf. So here I am going to block the maximum stomatas on this leaf B. So here apply Vaseline only at the lower surface to block the stomatas. So on leaf B, apply Vaseline only on the lower surface. Now come to leaf C. Here I am going to apply Vaseline only at the upper surface. And at the upper surface of the leaf, very few stomatas are present. So rate of transpiration is very less from the upper surface. Maximum transpiration takes place from the lower surface of the leaf as maximum stomatas are found at the lower surface. So in this way, your maximum stomatas are opened as I am applying Vaseline at the upper surface, but lower surface stomatas are open. Lower surface is not blocked with Vaseline. So transpiration rate is high in this leaf than B1. So here I am applying the Vaseline only at the upper surface on leaf C. Now on leaf D, I am not going to apply any Vaseline here so that the stomatas are opened only and rate of transpiration will be high on this leaf. So this is my complete setup of 4-leaf experiment where we are going to study the rate of transpiration from the surface of leaf as Vaseline is applied on the leaf in different manner. Like on leaf A, Vaseline is applied on both the surface, upper and lower surface. At both the surface. Leaf B, Vaseline is applied only at the lower surface, so maximum stomatas are blocked here. Leaf C, Vaseline is applied only at the upper surface, so at the lower surface you can see maximum stomatas are open, so rate of transpiration will be higher in this. And here on leaf D, as no Vaseline is applied, so rate of transpiration will be high in this from both the surface. So this is our complete setup. You have to leave this setup undisturbed for about 24 hours and then you can record your observation after 24 hours. Now after leaving this setting of apparatus for 24 hours, you can observe the order of drying these leaves in this 4-leaf experiment. Here you can observe leaf A, which is Vaseline on its both the surface. It looks fresh because all the stomatas are blocked here and there was no transpiration. Now look at leaf B, which is Vaselined on its lower surface with maximum stomata, and transpiration takes place only from the upper surface, which is negligible. So leaf B shows little wilting because here transpiration could take place only from the upper surface of the leaf where very less stomatas are found. So this leaf also remain fresh like leaf A. Now look at leaf C, which is Vaselined on its upper surface, which contains less number of stomatas. So here transpiration takes place from the lower surface with maximum stomatas and the leaf shrivels to a large extent. So here leaf C shows more wilting than the second one, because here transpiration occurred from the lower surface of the leaf where stomatas are more in number as compared to the upper surface of the leaf. Now come to leaf D. So if you will observe this leaf D, so as it is not Vaselined and both the surface transpired freely, releasing much water. So this leaf wilts completely in this case. As here leaf D shows complete wilting because here transpiration could not take place from the surface of the leaves. So in this way we had done with the comparative study of rate of transpiration from the upper and lower surface of the leaf by conducting 4-leaf experiment. So in this way, after the experiment, you have to observe the order of drying the leaves and record your observation. So here you can see leaf A remains fresh, leaf B little wilting, leaf C more wilting, and leaf D complete wilting. So this is all about our experiment.